Dear students of 12th class political science, today we would like to discuss about what is Club of Rome and explain the Earth Summit. You know that Club of Rome, the environment concern is long known in the history, yet awareness about adverse economic effect on environment occurred increased political attention since 1960s. And a global think tank called the Club of Rome came out with a book in 1972 called Limits to Growth. यानी क्लब ऑफ रोम जो था, it was a think tank. The high caliber people who worked and wrote a book in 1972 known as Limits to Growth. And Club of Rome, what is Club of Rome? The Club of Rome is an organization of individuals who share a common concern for the future of humanity. And strive to make a difference. This organization is composed of scientists, economists, businessmen, heads of state and former heads of state who are convinced that each human being can contribute to the improvement of our societies. जो क्लब ऑफ रोम था, it was an association of different classes of the people, high caliber people. That means it was an composite organization of scientists, economists, businessmen, heads of the state, former heads of state also, who convinced that each human being can contribute to the improvement of our societies. Because man is born within the society, and it is obligatory on the part of human personality to contribute for the good of the society. तो इसी तनाजुर के सिलसिले में क्लब ऑफ रोम बन पाया. It covers the field like global warming, well-being of humanitarian challenges. Thus it is global think tank. इन्होंने काफ़ी काम किया ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के बारे में, डिफरेंट फील्ड्स ह्यूमन चैलेंज के बारे में. So thus it is a global think tank that deals with a variety of international political issues. Clear? And now we will proceed what is Earth Summit. You mean that summit means conference. And Earth Summit was a major United Nations conference to environment and development. That this Earth Summit was an international United Nations conference. That Earth Summit was a major United Conference on Environment and Development held in Rio de Janeiro from 3 to 14 June 1992. एक यूनाइटेड नेशंस इन्वायरमेंट एंड डेवलपमेंट कॉन्फ्रेंस जो डी जेनेरो में 3 से 14 जून तक 1992 में मुनक्किद हुई. and were about 117 countries participated in it, and thousands of NGOs and multinational corporations attended the summit. This was the biggest summit, the biggest conference of multinational corporations. So this issue addressed in the summit initiated: number one, alternate source of energy to replace the use of fossil fuels, which degrades linked to global climate change. तो उन्होंने इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बहुत सारे इश्यूज़ को डिस्कस किया गया. ऑल्टरनेट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बात की गई, डिस्कशन की गई, इन ऑर्डर टू रिप्लेस द फॉसिल्स एंड फ्यूल्स, धुआं वगैरह, फ्यूल्स एंड फॉसिल्स और गुबार वगैरह हैं, which are responsible for degradation of the climatic change. Because and you know that, second, the growth, usage and limited supply of water, and third, new reliance on public transportation system in order to reduce vehicle congestion in societies, and health problems caused by polluted air, by smoke or other means. So different pollutions that affect our climatic system, all these problems were also discussed. These issues, these measures were found out to reduce the vehicle, what we call and congestion in cities, and also in rural areas as well as in urban areas particularly, and which also affects adversely the health and air by smoke and other gases.